guys, I wanted to show you how I use these products from Imelda Beauty that I just posted on my feed. They're so pretty, and I'm going to do my eye makeup. I have a photo shoot today, so it's going to be a little bit heavier than my everyday makeup, but I'll show you how to do like that winged look that I always do. You guys are always asking me about, and this liner is perfect for it. So first I'll go in like on my entire eye with this like neutral color. Is that I'm really gonna go in with the blending once I do the liner, but just like kind of take it out. I just realized it didn't show, but I got this darker color for that, and then without putting any more, just the residue, I just kind of like fan it out. Now with both of those colors combined, the neutral one and the more like mauve color, I'm going to do a little bit on the bottoms of my eye. Okay, this is the fun part. I'm going to do the liner. Hopefully I can do this right the first take. I normally just do it from half of my eyelid out. I feel like it makes my eyes longer than if I were to do it around my entire eye. And then connect it. Oh. Okay, I used my mirror, but this is what it looks like. And the good thing about the way that I do it is that it doesn't have to be perfect because I always smudge it. So I'm going to go in with the darkest color, and this is how I do like my signature winged look. I just get the end and that dark color, I start going on the top and end up like getting this smudged effect. So I go in with a small brush first, and then later with a little bit of a bigger brush, I blend it all together. So you'll see. Now I'm going to go in with a little bit of a bigger brush, and I'm just gonna smudge that line so there's like nothing harsh. And then to finish off, and this is so cute for the holidays, I'm gonna go in with this shimmery color and just put that on my lids. And I just use my finger for this. And this is the final look, the little smudge liner I love to do, some shimmer, and their liquid liner really is amazing. So if you're interested, swipe up to shop. Have an amazing day.